Hello, everyone. Welcome back to MJ's Heavenly, where we pray before we eat. Do not worry about anything, but in everything, by prayer and supplication with thanksgiving, let your requests be known to God. In today's video, we're going to be making fried chicken. The chicken was already seasoned, so we're going to go ahead and make our base. We're going to start off by using 2 eggs. Give it a good mix and set it aside. We're going to use 2 cups of all-purpose flour, all-purpose seasoning, a little paprika, black pepper, and cornstarch. Let's give it a good mix and coat our chicken. Now we're going to add some oil to our pot, let it heat, and add our chicken. To ensure that our chicken is nice and golden, we're going to allow it to fry on each side for about 10 to 15 minutes, periodically checking it so it doesn't burn. Now our chicken is looking nice and golden. A trick that I've learned is to cover the pot, allowing heat and moisture to be trapped, allowing the chicken to cook evenly through. Again, we're going to periodically check and turn our chicken. To be honest, this is my first time frying chicken, and it did turn out a bit browner than expected. Next time, I'll try to manage the heat more keenly. However, our chicken was perfectly cooked on the inside. It was crispy, juicy, and delicious.